South African runner Oscar Pistorius was transformed overnight from a beloved and inspirational athlete to a controversial figure. It happened in February of last year, when Pistorius shot and killed his girlfriend, Riva Steenkamp, inside his Pretoria home.
We can confirm that there was a shooting incident this morning at the home of the well-known Paralympic athlete Oscar Pistorius. At this stage we can confirm that a young woman, a 30-year-old woman, did die on the scene of gunshot wounds.
Now, the double amputee athlete is on trial for murder. It's been called South Africa's version of the O.J. Simpson murder case in the U.S., drawing similarly intense media interest from around the world. Prosecutors say they plan to call more than 100 witnesses. Pistorius says he shot Steenkamp 4 times through a bathroom door, mistaking her for an intruder. The prosecution says he meant to kill her.
There has to be a criminal act, stab the victim.
Legal expert Stephen Tucson says this case will come down to a simple question. Did Pistorius mean to shoot her, or was it, as he says, an accident?
In this case, it's fairly unusual because the accused has admitted the criminal act. He's admitted firing the shots which has killed Ms. Steenkamp. And so the only issue in dispute for the prosecution to prove is Mr. Pistorius' state of mind at the time of the shooting. Did he have criminal intention, or was he negligent in his shooting?
Days before the start of the trial, experts met at Johannesburg's University of the Witwatersrand to discuss how they expect the case to play out. Forensics expert David Klatzo says he fears that experts may be able to spin their findings to suit each side.
You've got the state expert who says categorically black. You've got the defense expert who says categorically white. And it ends up as a duel between the experts, often a highly technical duel, and often the judge is not in a position to follow the technicalities of that duel. And what often happens, and unfortunately so, is that the judge ends up weighing experts rather than expert testimony. And that's always a dangerous thing.
Some legal experts say it could be months before the trial comes to an end, and the world learns the fate of South Africa's most famous athlete. Anita Powell, VOA News, Johannesburg.
Yes,